Here we are, a very quick look at the NAD 3045 hybrid digital amplifier. This device has 60 watts times 2 into 4 and 8 ohm speakers. It's got lots of different inputs. I'm sure if you're looking at this actual unboxing, you've already done some research on it, but basically it can have a turntable. It's got Bluetooth, transmits in and out, so that's quite a handy feature that some of the other amplifiers will only receive Bluetooth, so you could use it on, say, Bluetooth headphones. It can have a subwoofer connected. It has to be an active one, I believe, and it's for basically a 2-speaker setup with subwoofer if you want a subwoofer. It's got 2 optical inputs and a direct USB, plus you can connect to a turntable, and as you can see from the box, here's all the various devices you can connect to. And now we're going to open it and see what's in the box. So here we are. It's obviously NAD on the front of the box, and we'll see how it opens up for us here. Looks like another box within a box. Some instructions. Looks like a sort of a felt type covering that it's in, which is unusual. There's the actual amplifier. It's got a protective strip on it there. Typical NAD product, looks well made. It's all about the sound with these products, so they don't go for any ostentatious design. And in here we have the power lead, and the remote control. Some of the reviews have said the remote control is not very exciting. But it depends what you're looking for, really. One very simple remote control. You can see all the connections on the back of the device there.